quick edit. It was a pain to edit with this software. Hello, and it's Dux here to show you the best free video editing software for beginners on Windows. So the app I have over here is the Windows Video Editor stock one. It's pretty simple. You can do anything, like it's pretty simple for what do you say, for free, which you get. It's pretty good. And also I'll be editing this video on this. I usually use this video editor called Shortcut, which is also free. But it's for, like, it's not really for beginners. It's a bit harder to use. So this is the most simple one. So the first thing you have to go on is add. It's pretty simple. Go on from this PC. Example, I want to do a gaming video, so you can do whatever you want. So you go on Roblox. This is a Roblox clip of the game Phantom Forces. It'll add the file. Okay, and then from now you can do whatever you want to do, like example pictures. So for intro, what can we do for intro? Let's put Saitama from One Punch Man as our intro. Okay, so you can check how long it was. Example, if you want 7 seconds, 3 seconds is pretty average, pretty good. So yeah, there you go. Insert that in. Pretty simple. You can draw on it. No, it's a theme. Like this, you can have themes. They're really sad. Yeah, okay, these stock themes are really bad. Put music in the background like this. Amplify. Which I don't really think you'd like. You can also put audio tracks. Pretty simple. Then you can go on like your aspect ratio. Okay, so when you go onto your main thing, you can trim. Example, if you want the video to be 11 seconds long, you can do that. You can add filters, like this one, denim. You get some really cool ones, like this pixelated ones. But I'm going to stay with the original. What about classic? No, original looks good. So text, like you can go anywhere you want and add text. Let's see, where should we add? Like example here. Okay, so this is an automatic pistol. So let's just write automatic pistol, and then you can write what gun is. Example, just to tell like which weapons if you're doing a weapon guide for a game. Okay, so yeah, done. Then you can just see, like if you go here, a few seconds will be fine. 2 hands for a pistol. And then it'll pop up. This looks weird. See, look, like that, it's really simple. Text, motion. The motion isn't that good, but I don't really think you need to like zoom out left, right, out right. It doesn't zoom in that much, which is the bad thing. I tried using it for one of my videos, one of my first videos, which I wanted to zoom into my face, because I made this really weird one, but it was pretty bad. Then 3D effects. I haven't used this before. 3D effects, but let's just see how it is. Like balloons. Okay. This is weird. Oh, this is really weird. Okay. Like they move around. Okay. Done. So example, let's go back there. Now let's go like, where was it? 850.
This looks weird.
Yeah, 1052.
Like tell me, who's 2 hands?
See, look, you can see the balloons. Like it's alright video editor, but it's pretty good. And I'll edit this video using this software.
AKM.
So you can see how
There's
it is.
actually an AKM here. Ooh.
Nice. So
Oh,
yeah,
where
that's the
exactly
end
is
of
the
the video.
AKM?
So bye. Hi guys, so you made it to the end of the video. Comment down below what's your favorite anime and why. I don't know why, just do it.